Sneezing with your eyes open? Sounds like a superhero move, right? Here's why it's so tricky. So why can't you sneeze with your eyes open? Well, it's all thanks to a clever reflex designed to protect your peepers. When you sneeze, your body's like, let's get rid of these pesky irritants. Air and particles zoom out of your nose at high speed, and guess what? Your brain sends a signal to your eyelid muscles too. Yup, those little muscles snap your eyes shut to keep out any flying debris or irritants. Think of it as your body's natural defense mechanism. Pretty cool, huh? Sure, with a lot of effort you might keep your eyes open, but it's not natural and can feel super uncomfortable. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let your eyelids do their thing. They're just trying to protect you. Stay curious, friends, and bless you.